Hey, how's it going, guys? Carl here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save money video editing software for absolutely free. It is one of the most popular softwares out right now called CAPCUT. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video, show you guys how to install it and how to get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Google search or your Bing search and you just type in CAPCUT. Once you type that in, you're going to see you can install it on Windows, or you can just go straight to the website. You can go to the website and click download. It's going to ask you to try to sign in. You can just click on this download for free, or you can come up here and you'll just hit download and it will go ahead and start. Just download the file, and then once you do that, it's going to be up here. It's going to basically say done. You click on that. It's going to ask you to confirm that. Hit yes. It's going to do a CAPCUT desktop installer. This won't take very long at all. Alright, so once it gets to 100%, it will basically just open up your CAPCUT and you can sign in to a CAPCUT. You can create your CAPCUT account. You can also join in Pro if you want to do that. I suggest just sticking with the free version. Then all you do from there is you just create a project. So I have two projects here. One project is for vertical videos and one project is for horizontal videos. That's basically how I like to do it. So you'll open it up and it will look like this. There are some transcripts and stuff over here that you can set up, so you can do that, or you can just get rid of that and just work from your workspace right here. I like to just shrink this down and then shrink that down, and then I like to just give myself some video space so I can see my video as I edit it. Once you get your videos in there, I like to just go ahead and have preset thumbnails in there. I do YouTube videos, of course, so I have a preset thumbnail in here for the end of my videos, and then I have an intro thumbnail. And once you're ready to import your video, you can import your video, and that is basically how you can save money using CAPCUT versus going out and spending hundreds of dollars on these other softwares or dealing with latency in other applications like DaVinci. CAPCUT is the way to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.